Do you feel like your English is a little bit too basic? You probably say words like good, bad, happy, sad all the time. But here's the secret. Native speakers often use much more interesting words to express their ideas. So in this video, I'll share 10 powerful synonyms that you can use every day to make your English sound more natural and interesting. These are not complicated words. They're easy swaps that anyone can make to instantly make your English sound stronger. So let's get started. The first is a super common word, good. We use the word good all the time to describe experiences or feelings or things. But what's a better word that we can use? How about next time, instead of saying the movie was good, try the word outstanding. Outstanding means that something was really good, really impressive. You liked or enjoyed it a lot. For example, that movie was outstanding. The dinner was outstanding. My teacher is outstanding. You can use it for things, people, or experiences to show that you are enthusiastic or impressed. Listen and repeat after me. Outstanding. Outstanding. The next word you probably say a lot is bad. But here's an alternative to bad. Try awful. Again, this word can be used for things, experiences, places, or people. For example, the weather yesterday was awful. That movie was truly awful. The traffic today is awful. So next time you want to say something was bad, try saying awful. Listen and repeat. Awful. Awful. The next common word is big. If you want to really emphasize that something was very, very big, try the word enormous. For example, they live in an enormous house. Those mountains look enormous. I made an enormous mistake at work yesterday. Listen and repeat. Enormous. Enormous. The opposite to big is small. Next time when you want to say something is very, very small, try the word minute. Be careful with this word because the spelling looks like the word minute. But when we're using it to describe size, the pronunciation is minute. The cake has a minute amount of sugar in it. Portion sizes at this restaurant are minute. Listen and repeat. Minute. Minute. Another very common word to describe how you feel is happy. But next time, try saying the word thrilled. It means that you are really very happy about something. For example, she was thrilled with her exam results. I was thrilled when I passed my driving test. The pronunciation of this word is a bit tricky, so listen carefully and repeat. Thrilled. Thrilled. If you're enjoying this video and finding these words useful, please take a second to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and now let's continue with the next word. The opposite to happy, sad. But if you want to show that you were really sad and emphasize the feeling, try using the word miserable. For example, I felt miserable after our argument. Or this weather is making me feel so miserable. And here's a tip for this word. If you're in the UK and the weather is really bad, people will often use the word miserable to describe the weather. For example, the weather today is truly miserable. It's usually used to describe how we feel, but could also be used for a really bad day of weather. Listen and repeat. Miserable. Miserable. Another feeling that you might want to use is tired. But again, let's look at a word that could be used to emphasize the feeling even more. You could say drained. This just means that you have no energy. You're really, really tired or exhausted. For example, after work today, I felt completely drained. Or running that race was exhausting. I now feel drained. Listen and repeat. Drained. Drained. The next word is smart. We often use smart to mean clever, but a better word that you could try using is brilliant. This just means that something was very clever. For example, she had a brilliant idea, or my sister is a brilliant scientist. This word is used most often in British English. Listen and repeat. Brilliant. Brilliant. Another word that we often use to describe people or things is funny. But if you want to say something was really funny, you could say hilarious. For example, my brother told a hilarious joke yesterday, or the movie we watched was hilarious. It means it made you laugh a lot. Listen and repeat. Hilarious. Hilarious. And the final word that we have today is interesting. Interesting is a nice word to use, but again, if you want to emphasize that it wasn't just interesting, it was very interesting, try using the word fascinating. For example, the museum exhibition was fascinating, or the book I read on space travel was fascinating. Listen and repeat. Fascinating. Fascinating. So, those were your 10 powerful synonyms. Next time you're having a conversation, try swapping out words like good, bad, or happy, sad for words like outstanding, awful, thrilled, or miserable, and see how much more impressive your English sounds. And if you want an extra challenge, pick one of the words and write a sentence in the comments below. I promise I'll check your sentence and give you feedback. Of course, if you'd like to keep learning with me, then why not check out this video next, in which I'll teach you 5 super common phrases that native speakers use all the time.